Hello students, so this question is from IITG 2014 and this question is very easy based on friction. A block of mass m1 equal to 1 kg and m2 equal to 2 kg are placed together. So two blocks are placed together like this on a rough inclined plane, but there is no friction between m1 and the incline. That is, coefficient of friction between m1 and the incline is 0. But coefficient of friction between m2 and incline is given to be mu equal to 0.3. This angle is theta. Okay, now they are saying that for in the list one some values of the angle theta are given, and corresponding to them we have to match the value of friction acting on the block m2. Question is very easy, pay attention. See, friction will be acting on m2 in this direction, right? This is your value of friction. Here we have m2g cos theta, here we have m2g sin theta, correct? Here for m1 we have m1g sin theta. We don't need the component in this direction for m1g cos theta because there is no friction involved. Okay, normal force on m2 will be how much? Normal force on m2 will be m2g cos theta. So friction, maximum friction is equal to mu m2g cos theta. That's it, simple, right? Now look at the two blocks combined together. If I look at the two blocks combined together, m1 plus m2, then on this side I have net force m1 plus m2 g sin theta, and on this side I have net force friction. Okay, so m1g sin theta, m2g sin theta, they are added together, and then I have friction over here. So the blocks will not slide if this value is less than maximum friction, and the blocks will slide if this value is greater than maximum friction. So for no sliding, m1 plus m2g sin theta should be less than equal to maximum value of friction mu m2g cos theta, right? So put the values of m1, m2 and mu. m1 is given to be 1 kg, m2 is given to be 2 kg. So m1 plus m2 will be 3. Okay, and g is equal to 10, so we get 30. Sin theta is less than equal to, mu is given to be 0.3. Sorry, let's check it again. 0.3, correct. m2 is given to be 2, g is 10 cos theta. So from here I'll get tan theta is less than equal to, okay, sin divided by cos will be, tan theta will be less than equal to 6 by 30. So tan theta should be less than equal to 1 by 5. Now in the question you are given, tan of 11.5 degrees is 0.2. 1 by 5 is basically 0.2. So tan theta should be less than equal to tan of 11.5 degree, or theta should be less than equal to 11.5 degrees for no sliding. So in these two cases there will be no sliding involved. Okay, no sliding, right? And in these two cases there will be sliding involved. Sliding will be there. So for these two cases friction will be static. Okay, so friction should balance this force. So for friction will be equal to m1 plus m2g sin theta. Okay, so for these two cases friction will be m1 plus m2g sin theta. So I can match like this. Okay, and for these two cases friction will be kinetic, so that will be equal to mu m2g cos theta, maximum friction, right? So for these two cases the friction will be like this. So this is your matching of the columns.